Hello Blue Moose followers. I know it's been a while since we've done a video, but weather conditions, cold, COVID, all sorts of other crap like that going on. Very busy time over there the last few months, but we got a nice day now. Yeah, although it's very windy, so I don't know if you can hear. Sorry about the wind. We're working on the camper today, trying to get as much out before Jazz has to go bowling. He's a professional league bowler, you know. He could bowl a 300. It's true. He's done bowling professionally since he was 2, and you should have seen him rolling those big giant balls. He's really good at it. He likes to play with the balls as well. No, he doesn't. He's not. We're just playing. He's going out for fun later, and we're gonna see what we can get done. You see, I got some of the windows out. I got some of the stuff out. We'll take a look inside. Jazz is working on a window now. See, the camper's like real empty. It echoes. Yeah, he's working on taking the windows out, and we'll see what we can get done in here. Lots of crap, lots of things to go, you know. I'm working on the water tank. We can reuse this water tank. It's really in good condition. I'm going to test the pump today. If the pump works fine, I don't have to buy another one. We're going to try and reuse everything we can. Got part of the shower and bathroom out. You can see all the free stuff I've been collecting along the way. You know, like I said, we don't know what we're doing.
Because we have no budget.
We have no budget.
Nope.
Want the free things. We can reuse these windows. Just watch they don't fall on the ground with the wind.
There.
Just pull, it's got glue on it. So just gently pull it off. Try and twist upwards. Go up and see if it makes the glue on the latch.
Well, it's stuck right here.
Okay, just lift up and pull towards me.
There we go.
All right, another window out. Just lay it down on the grass. The wind's gonna grab it. I don't want it to break. Super windy here today. Howdy-ho, neighbor! I'm living in a camper in the driveway. I pull out the back window, and you see this is the issue when you buy something from a farm. You got all these winter egg-laying flies that landed in your right in my eye. Yeah, and they're everywhere. So once we get all this dead wood out, or we get all the eggs out, and then we can get rid of all the pests that are in here. All right, this window's cracked, so I'm not going to use it. I might use it as a hatch and put in a fiberglass insert and use it as a hatch on the top to get in through the top. But yeah, you can see the damage that's gone in here. Okay, and you can see that the roof is just destroyed. That's all coming out. I got a friend who has a scrapper guy who will come and take all the metal away for me, so I don't have to worry about that. I won't have to pay for that. That's how much water came in the last few days. Just trying to keep it dry enough in here. But as you can see, we're moving along. Yes, we are. Whoa! Better get these windows back in quick before winter hits. I mean, this is Canada, you know. We could get snow tomorrow, but it's a chilly, windy going through here. You know, hopefully it'll blow out all those flies that have been living in the wood, those winter dormant flies. But yeah, working along. Here we go. Good thing this thing didn't come flying off. Pretty much every screw in here. Rip, the wood is just rotten through. That's why they're we're gonna just remove all of it. They're just rotten out. Can't do that with one hand. Yep. All right, final windy day. We're gonna cut it short for today because the wind is just too bad. We can't even get on the roof. It'll blow us right off. Got some of the side panels off, and well, we don't know what we're doing.
And we have no budget.
No, we have no budget.